Okay, good afternoon. To address the request of some students, this time I'm going to demonstrate how to draw your take-home plate number 4 using AutoCAD. Although manual drawing is different from drawing using AutoCAD, somehow we can still relate both of them. That's why for demonstrative purposes, I choose to use AutoCAD in this discussion. So first, let's have your drawing template. So we use this drawing template. At the bottom portion, we have some details, and in this portion, you can draw your drawing or your figure here. But first, what is your take-home plate number 4? So let's check from your self-learning material. So we have here your self-learning material. So to find your drawing plate, take-home plate number 4, let's look at the list of figures. So take-home plate number 4, figure 24, and then page number 25. Okay, we have here your take-home plate number 4. And as you can see, we have 4 figures to draw. That's why we need to subdivide the remaining space here into 4 equal parts. So to do that, uh, of course, you'll be using your drawing tools, but here I'm using AutoCAD. So just relate. I will just demonstrate the step-by-step procedure on how to construct your figure. But of course, there are differences on the steps we'll be using because we use different materials. Okay, first we need to divide this into two. So you need to locate the midpoint of this line, and of course the midpoint of the bottom line, and then you connect those points, and you have divided this into two equal parts. And the same with this line. So we need to locate the midpoint of this line, and of course the line on the right. So you can use your ruler to measure this line and divide into two. Okay. So we have subdivided this into four equal parts, and we can draw the first figure here, so this figure. But we need to center all the figures in each subdivided space. Okay, to locate the center of this first space, we can draw diagonal lines connecting opposite corners, and then you can consider this as the center. Okay, in this figure, we can start with the outermost circle. So we have here R 1.5. So R means radius. Then 1.5 is in inches unit. So you use the inches unit. Okay. You need to draw first a circle with radius 1.5. So here we have 1.5, and that's it. So in manual drawing, you can measure the distance from the center going to this point, measuring 1.5. Then after that, you can use your technical compass to draw this circle. Okay, maybe I can disregard these diagonal lines. So in your drawing, maybe you just draw those diagonal lines lightly so that it cannot be seen clearly. So for you to erase that easily. Then next, we have this center. So maybe we can draw a line here. Then we locate the center. So this is the center. You can draw a small horizontal line. Then mark it as your center. And then you need to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 1.5 distance will be divided into 7 equal distances. So 1.5 divided by 7 we have 3/14. Wait, this is the center. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to divide 1.5 by 8. And the result is 3/16. So 3/16. So you can copy this. Then 3 divided 16. Okay, that's the distance. And then next, again, then 16. 3 divided 16. And that's it. And next, please consider this semicircle. So this is a part of a whole circle with its center here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the center. So you can draw this using your technical compass. So instead of drawing the whole circle, you can just sketch from this point up to this point. This that will look like this. Okay, that's it. Then next, so this semicircle, ang center niya nandito, dito, and ito. 1, 2, 3. So nandito. next, ito yung center. And last, and we can do the same thing with these figures. So just follow the steps. Okay. Okay, wait. We still have this portion. So 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6. So the key here is to locate the center of these semicircles. 2, 4, 6, 7. And that's it. Then on the other half, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. One, then 1. Okay, we proceed to this portion. The 4, 5. So the advantage of manual drawing is that you can just draw the semicircle directly. Here, we need to trim those lines. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Then 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, that's it. So you may erase these lines since it's not included in the drawing. Okay, that's it. And the next thing to do is to put dimensions. So again, in manual drawing, you just directly draw these lines, the dimension lines, then these dimensions. So here I'll be using dimension tool. Okay. Then just continue with the other dimensions. So we have here the radius of those dimensions. Okay, that's the first figure. You just continue in your drawing plate. Okay, for the remaining figures, I will just start with the first few steps and then you can continue those remaining steps. So for the second figure, so here we can start with the outermost circle. Okay, again, you need to locate the center point. Okay, that's it. Then we have this radius r 1.5. Circle with radius 1.5 or 1.5. Then next, this circle, we can see here 1 1/4. 1.25. Then this small circle, 5/8. So you need to review how to read the dimension on your ruler. 5 divided by 8. And next is this portion. We have the centers. Okay, the radius of these circles, yung outer is 5/8, then yung inner is 3/8. And yung center niya is nandito sa circumference ng circle. So dito, 3/8. Yan. Then, hanggang dito lang siya. See, you need to draw the arc from this point going to this point. Okay, maybe we can just draw those circles. Then later, we just erase some of those uh, portions ng circles. Okay, wait. Disregard this. Okay, you need to divide this 360 degrees into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60. So you just measure 60 degrees angle using your protractor. Okay, that's it. Then I will just change the color of this to gray. Okay. Then let's continue the circles. Next we have this, then this. Okay. How? Okay, that's it. Then the inner circle is has 3/8 radius. So 3 divided by 8. Then 3 divided by 8. Maybe you can first draw those circles lightly. Then you just erase some of the portion of the circles. So here we have this boundary up to this. Next circles. One, one, two. Here, up to here. So we need to trim this. Then you can erase these arcs. Next, here. Then next, here. And next, here. And, okay. And for the inner circle, so those intersections here. Okay. And we can erase those overlapping arcs here. I guess that is our figure. Then again, just put some dimensions using your drawing tools for the rest of the dimensions. Okay, for the last two figures, I guess you can explore more how to use your drawing tools. And I believe you gain some ideas on how to start your figure. If you have some questions, just maybe you can direct message me. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.